I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege like a pro. To begin, mastering operator selection is crucial for success. Each operator brings unique gadgets and abilities to the team, so choose wisely based on the map and your team's composition. For instance, a hard breacher like Thermite or Hibana is essential for opening reinforced walls, while a support operator like Thatcher can disable enemy gadgets. Understanding these roles and practicing their specific utility will significantly elevate your gameplay. Next, dominating with superior map knowledge is a game changer. Knowing every corner, every angle, and every destructible surface gives you a massive advantage. Spend time in custom games exploring maps to understand their flow and identify crucial lines of sight. Effective communication through precise callouts, such as two enemies in archives, ensures your team is always on the same page. This deep understanding allows for better rotations and more effective flanks. Now, let's sharpen your mechanical skills. Consistent aim practice is fundamental. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to training modes. Focus on mastering recoil control for your primary weapons, ensuring your shots land where you intend. Always maintain precise crosshair placement at head height, anticipating enemy positions around corners. Efficient movement and quick peeking techniques will minimize your exposure to enemy fire, allowing you to win more 1-versus-1 engagements and secure crucial kills. Finally, executing flawless strategy is the hallmark of a professional player. On attack, coordinate drone usage to clear rooms and gather vital enemy intel before pushing. On defense, work together to create impenetrable site setups, reinforcing key walls and placing gadgets strategically. Practice coordinated pushes and effective post-plant strategies to secure rounds. Always be ready to adapt your plan based on the enemy's actions and the evolving game state, ensuring your team stays one step ahead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.